Hello friends, I am Sim and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. Today I am going to teach you how to draw tulips. So let's start. So let's draw the tulip. First of all, make a petal. Okay. Now make another petal. And join them. And you are done. Here is our tulip. Now draw the stem. And the leaves. So, this is our tulip. Let's start coloring it. Here I am using pencil colors to color it. Color it with light pink color, pencil color. So I have colored the tulip with light pink color. Now do some shading with dark pink color. Look, now it's looking more beautiful by doing the shading. Okay, now we'll color the stem. Color the stem and leaves with dark green color. And then do some shading with yellow color. So our beautiful tulip flower is ready. So friends, if you like my videos, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. For more such interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel. Till then, keep watching, keep creating. Okay, bye bye, take care.